Hello viewers, welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to show you how you can create a drop-down menu in Google Sheet. You can see here we have a drop-down menu and we give it different color. Here one option is new, second one is couriered, third one is delivered, and fourth one is cancelled. This is an order management system. You can create this type of drop-down menu for any of your purposes. Okay, so let's see how we can create one like this in Google Sheet. To create, let's add another data. Just suppose the name of the customer is name, his phone number is 666, his address is address. Okay, now we want to create a list like this four option. To create a list, you can click on this cell and then click on insert. After that, come down and here is a drop down. Click on this. A new setting or dialog box will be here. Here are only two options, option 1, option 2. We can add some more options. Okay, we wanted to create a table or a drop down menu of four options, so now we have four options here. So the first one was new, so write it new and give it a color to white. So our new is white. Then second option is couriered. Okay, and give it a color of blue. Then the third option is delivered. Okay, delivered. Now give a color. The color will be green for this time. And the last one is cancelled, and this time give a red color. Now you can click on done and it will be included in the fourth option. If you see, when you click it, you have all the options. Okay, now what if you want to add this type of drop down menu for a whole column? Okay, to do it, just click on the column you want to add this type of drop down menu. Just for this case, I think it is E. And after clicking on this, you will keep the first one blank because here you will add a title. So just press on Control and give a click here. Now the first one is removed and all the other cells are selected. And do same thing we did before. Click on Insert and then drop down menu. Then you can create another drop down menu from here like this and done. You can see as long as you go down, you will see the all cells get the same menu. Everywhere you click, you will get two options. Okay, in this way you can create a drop down menu. There is some advanced setting. If you click on here and click on edit, you will see there are some advanced option. Here you have some more options to change it, customize it. If you want me to make a detailed video on drop down menu option for Google Sheet, just comment down here. I'll show you how can you create it. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned a new thing. You will apply this for your next project. Till then, goodbye.